You're watching Kiddos World TV.
The first letter we are going to learn is the letter A. A. Apple. Apple.
Awesome!
The next letter is the letter B. B. Ball. Ball. Very good, kiddos. Let's do another letter.
Fantastic!
Here's the next letter. The letter C. C. Cake. Cake.
Hooray!
Let's do this next letter. The letter D. D. Dog. Dog. Fantastic work, kiddos. Let's keep going.
Woohoo!
Let's try this next letter. The letter E. E. Egg. Egg.
Love it!
Next is the letter F. Fish. Fish. Amazing work, kiddos. You're so good at this.
Wow!
The letter G. G. Goat. Goat. Well done, kiddos.
Yay!
The letter H. H. Hat. Hat.
Perfect!
The letter I. I. Insect. Insect.
Wow!
The letter J. J. Jelly. Jelly.
Impressive!
The letter K. K. Kiwi. Kiwi. Amazing job, kiddos.
All right!
The letter L. L. Lion. Lion. Excellent work, kiddos. Let's do some more.
It's so much fun!
Next, let's try the letter M. M. Milk. Milk. Very good, kiddos.
Yay!
How about the letter N? N. Nose. Nose.
Woohoo!
Next, the letter O. O. Orange. Orange. Well done, kiddos. Let's move on to the next one.
High five!
Here's the next one. The letter P. P. Panda. Panda. The letter Q. Q. Qua. Quail. Quail.
Outstanding!
The letter R. 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 Robot. Robot.
Wow!
Okay, let's try this letter. The letter S. S. Star. Star. Fantastic. It's time for the next letter.
Bravo!
Here's the next one. The letter T. 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 Tiger. Tiger. Well done.
Yay!
The letter U. U. Umbrella. Umbrella. Awesome work, kiddos.
Yahoo!
The letter V. 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 Violin. Violin.
Excellent!
The letter W. W. Whale. Whale.
Wow!
The next letter is the letter X. X. X-ray. X-ray.
Awesome!
The letter Y. Y. E. Yogurt. Yogurt. Well done, kiddos. Let's move on to the last letter.
Great!
Well, kiddos, it's our last letter. So do your best, okay?
Yeah!
The letter Z. 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 Zebra. Zebra. Amazing work, kiddos.
Yay! We did it, kiddos!
Well done, kiddos! Thank you for learning ABC sounds and words with me. For more fun and learning videos like this one, please search our channel Kiddos World TV on the YouTube search bar. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!
Bye, Miss V.
Having fun, kiddos? Please click subscribe for more learning and fun. See you in the next videos.